Hi, I'm Chris Hasson and I'm at an opulent beach house surrounded by National Park with surf crashing in the background, 4 bedrooms and a pool, and a stunning kitchen that has to be seen to be believed. Let's have a look. Your 4-bedroom Boat Harbour luxury beach home with stunning in-ground pool tells a story. Surrounded by National Park and stunning beaches, with the surf crashing in the background, you've arrived. Understated, on arrival, once inside you quickly realise that the quality and design perfectly fuse in a contemporary style. The epitome of a luxurious beach house. Your high ceilings are accentuated with the Tasmanian oak floorboards and recessed feature adding a depth of sophistication. Your individual design kitchen with unique custom-made stone bench tops with pearl shells solidify the opulence you deserve. On the second level, you'll enjoy a second living area, bathroom, and 3 absolutely massive bedrooms, with the main really a parent's retreat. Not out of place as a suite in a luxury hotel. Your alfresco and pool area will be enjoyed all year round. Total indulgence. If you're interested in enjoying this lifestyle and wanting an inspection, give me a call 040-234-8080. You can go to my website and email me there at chrishasson.com.au.